Hello, Scorpions. It's me, Prince iPal Science. And friends, you're going to meet my new friend, Ellie Mentz. This is going to be a great season, season 6 of Prince iPal Science and Friends.
Hi, I'm Ellie Mentz, and I'm here to introduce the chemical element of the week.
What is the chemical element of the week?
This week, it's neon.
Ooh, I love neon.
What color is neon?
Neon is kind of an orangish red color when it's placed in an electrical field.
What exactly is neon?
So neon is an inert gas and it's non-toxic in nature.
What's it used for?
Well, have you ever seen neon signs that blink and light up at night? Well, neon is used in neon signs and they become super bright when there is a high voltage connection.
I see. Do you have any interesting facts about neon?
Well, neon is the rarest element on Earth, but it is also the fifth most abundant element in the universe. It also produces, like we said, an orange and red glow. Neon is mainly used in fluorescent lamps.
That's really interesting.
And Ne is a scientific notation of neon. Here's a great example of neon and a great message. Keep the good vibes going all summer long. Hey, Prince iPal Science here with some math magic. So sometimes multiplying is hard. You know, we know our 5s and our 10s and our 1s and 2s, but sometimes multiplying by 6 is hard, but there's a trick to it. So check this out. I'm multiplying by 6. Whatever I multiply, when I'm multiplying by evens, what you're multiplying by will be in the ones place. So I can just put a 4 there. Then, because we're multiplying by evens, half of this number would go in the tens place. 6 times 4 is 24. Now, you say, Prince iPal Science, but that's only the evens. Well, then to add an odd, you only have to add 6 more if you're multiplying by 5. So if you know your evens, it'll be super easy. Let's try another one, shall we? 6 times 6. Well, what's half of 6? That's 3. So that goes in the tens place. And we just take our 6 and put it in the ones place. 6 times 6 is 36. Now, if I wanted to know 6 times 7, that's just one more group of 6. I would just need to add 6 to that. 36 plus 6 is 42. So there's some math magic when multiplying by 6.
Ellie Mentz here with this week's Science of Kindness. It doesn't cost anything to be kind. So be kind and a little kinder than necessary. Ellie Mentz here. Here is some good news in science. A carving dating back 35,000 years ago was discovered by archaeologists in a cave in the banks of the River Rhone in Germany.
Speaking of archaeologists are our STEM career of the week. An archaeologist studies the origin and evolution of humans. They like to excavate, another scientific word, and they look for artifacts like bones and pottery and tools that ancient people may have used. And that is our STEM career of the week, an archaeologist.
Allie Mentz here. I'm going to tell you what this week's science vocabulary is. This week's word is analyze. Analyze means to look at the parts of things and find out what each part is made out of and how it works. I'm going to go analyze the 3D printer. Hey, what is Venom up to this summer?
Well, there you have it. Another episode of Prince iPal Science and Friends. I'm Prince iPal Science.
And I'm Ellie Mentz.
We'll see you next week.